Hello everybody, get ready to do 8.1 part 2 homework today for pre-algebra math. Have your your homework sheet out in front of you now. 38 points on your homework sheet. 8.1 part 2 homework, 38 points here. Let's go through the homework, page 1 here of your homework. Tell whether the relation represented by the graph is a function. So if they are, say yay. If it's not, say no. So tell whether the relation represented by the graph is a function. And you got 6 points here on page 1. Page 2, you got a word problem here about basketball. You have this table here. Identify the domain and range of the relation given by the ordered pairs x and y. I'm not going to give it away, students. And then B, draw a mapping diagram. Draw your mapping diagram over here. And you got 6 points here for page 2. Identify domain and range. And then draw a mapping diagram for the relation here. Page 3 here, you got 4 points. Is the relation a function? Explain. So that goes back to the previous problem. Then we go into 22 here about hurricanes. Here's your plot here. It's a dot plot. So you're going to use this for your next page here. Is wind speed a function of an advisory number? Explain. That's part A. Explain means full sentences here, students. So you got 4 points here for page 4. Page 5, part B, for which advisories did Opal qualify as a hurricane? And then respond down here. And then 23, we go into a writing question here. Which representation more clearly shows whether or not the relation is a function? Explain means full sentences. So you got 8 points here for page 5. Page 6, we have another problem here about skydiving. So part A, does the reading on the skydiver's altimeter increase or decrease? And that is page 6. You got 4 points on page 6. And then page 7 here, you got writing. Describe the domain and range of the relation represented by the graph from the previous. And then part C is the relation a function. Explain. And then part D here, some altimeters can sound, blah, blah, blah. So what atmospheric pressure will trigger the alarm? And you got 6 points here on page 7. That's your homework lesson for today. Animated PowerPoint math video at AOL.com for questions or course materials. Thank you very much.